What we have for sale on eBay today is a very nice Hobart 4822 tabletop meat grinder. It's in very good condition. Comes with a new head, new tray, new blade, and new plate. It was owned by a large chain grocery store. It was bought new by them, so you're getting it from the original owner to you. It hasn't been passed around to any other owners. You're getting it from the original owner who bought it new. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it on, show you how smoothly it runs, and then we're going to take a walk around it and show you the great condition. It's 110 volt, so you can plug it in any outlet, and it's in very good condition, like I said. Now we're going to turn it on. See how smoothly it runs. We'll take a little walk around while it's running and show you the machine. There you go. There it's turning. Nice shape. See down in here. See the worm turning. Doesn't look like this machine's barely or ever been used. Turn it off now. Safety switch. Great condition. Hobart 4822 tabletop meat grinder. As always, I offer free palletizing, crating, and shipping to the buyer within the continental U.S. And if there are any questions, my name's Kevin. My number is 724-516-1142.